There are 5 big reasons why most offers don't sell, and business owners are even making this mistake without even realizing it. Most people think it's the algorithm, most people even think that it is the economy, and most people even think it's their audience, but it's not. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down the 5 reasons why your offers don't lead to sales and how you're going to fix them. If you manage to fix even one of these steps, trust me, your sales is going to skyrocket. So let's get into it. Most times when people complain that they're not making sales, I don't look at your followers, I don't look at your logo, I look at the kind of offer you are making. Because most sales problems are offer problems. You don't know how to structure your offer well to make people buy. And once you understand this, you're going to stop guessing and start fixing it right. The number one reason why your offers are not converting is because the problem is too vague. What do you mean by I help entrepreneurs grow? Grow how? As how now? Are you helping them grow their money? Are you helping them grow their followers? I don't know how you're helping them grow. It is too vague. If your offer is unclear, then people are just going to move past you. Here's exactly how you're going to fix it. You need to be painfully specific. Hey, God. You need to be painfully specific. Instead of saying, I help entrepreneurs grow, I'd rather say, I help entrepreneurs 10x their sales using irresistible offers. When you hear things like this, you'll be like, oh, so I can 10 times my sale using irresistible offer. Using irresistible offers. And you would want to learn more. You get the point now, Abby? Reason number 2, the outcome is weak. If your results sound small, then people are just going to move past you. If you say things like, you're going to learn how to post better content, that is very weak. So you say things like, you're going to learn how to turn your content into a sales conversion machine. Hell, people are going to be like, I want to know more. Now, here's how you're going to fix it. You're going to ask yourself a question. Does this outcome change somebody's life? Does it change their status? Does it change their income? Does it change their time management? If no, then you need to strengthen it. Go back to the drawing board and strengthen that offer. And guess what? People don't buy information. People buy transformation. If your offer is not going to transform them in any way, then you need to strengthen it. Reason number 3, you are focused on selling the features instead of the identity. Most offers list things like this. You are going to get access to 6 modules, you're going to get access to 20 videos and one-on-one call. Nobody cares about that. People literally buy who they become. If it's not, I've said it before, if it is not transforming them in any way, you need to change it. Okay, let me give you another example. Instead of saying you're going to get access to my 12 weeks fitness program, you can say something like this. You are going to get access to becoming the kind of person who never quits on his or her health again. When people hear that, they'll be like, okay, okay. Identity sells better than the features. If you keep on rambling about the features of your product, how nice it is, nobody's going to listen to you. But if you hit deep about the identity you're going to portray, people will be like, okay, I want to be this kind of person. I want to be this kind of person that is not going to give up on his or her health again. You get the point now, Abby? Number 4, there is no urgency. I mean, if somebody can buy later, then they will. But two of us, no, the two both of us, you know that later is never. They are never going to buy. Urgency is not pressure. You're just giving them the reason they should buy now. That's just urgency. It is not pressure. It could be limited slots. It could be that the price is going to go up. It could be that you're giving a discount or something. You just need to come up with something that is going to make them buy immediately. And the last but not the least, people cannot see themselves in your offer. And this is the biggest one. If people don't see themselves in your product or your service or your offer, trust me, they're not going to buy from you. Somebody should be able to see your message or your offer and be like, this is exactly me. This is me. This person knows me. This person knows my pain points. That is what your aim should be. That is what you should always target for. You need to use the same language that they use. You need to clearly communicate their struggles. Instead of saying, are you struggling with your business? You can say something like, are you tired of posting every day but not seeing the kind of clients you want? They'll be like, yes, that is me. I've been posting every day, but I'm not seeing clients. That should be your aim. Immediately they feel seen. They'll be like, this person knows my struggle. This person understands what I'm going through. And they will give you their listening ears. They will listen to you. They want to know what you have for them. They want to know the solution you have for them. If your offer is not selling, I just want you to go back to the drawing board and check these 5 things. Is my offer unclear? Is the result weak? Is the identity missing? Is there no urgency? And the last but not the least, is it too broad? Sales is not magic, it is a strategy that you need to follow. So if this video helped you to think differently about sales, please don't forget to subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.